time I'm so happy because one more week we are together to learn about English things, the English word. I want to ask you to look outside through your window and look at the sky. The sky is blue and so beautiful, and Mr. Sun is shining up in the sky. He's so happy because he is with us, shining on us. We don't need to sing Mr. Sun because he is with us. Do you remember the song that we sang together in the school? Do you remember? It was like this. Here we are together, together, together. Here we are together, together today. Do you remember? Oh, I'm missing so long this song. Oh my goodness. Agora, eu quero que vocês imaginem a teacher com vocês lá na sala de aula e a gente fazendo um círculo bem bonitinho, sem vazar o ovinho. E aí a teacher traz para vocês a mystery box. I have here inside this box a lot of mystery things and you are going to check with me, okay? Vamos lá? Let's go! 1, 2, 3. Dun, dun, dun. What I have here? A little Fusca, little beetle. Look, he opened the doors. So nice. But guys, what we can do with this beetle? Do you know the beetle? O Fusquinha, the beetle? We can use the beetle to travel. Vroom, vroom, vroom. And visit a lot of places. But let's check what we have here. Dun, 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 dun. My goodness. What is this? It's a ampulheta. I don't know what is this, teacher. I had never seen this one time. Guys, this is like a clock. It counts the time. So how many times we can get to travel with this beetle? A lot of time. But if we use an airplane, we don't need to spend time like the beetle because the airplane is too much fast. But I want to ask you where you can go. We can visit maybe England, Paris. Where do you want to go? I want to go to Paris. Do you know what is this? It's the Eiffel Tower. This one is a little one, but in Paris, this tower is too big. You will lose the picture because it's so big, this tower there. But maybe, do you want to go to England? Do you know what is this? Do you know what is this? It's a cabin phone. There in England, they have a lot of like this. They have a lot of phone cabins because there we can use the phone walking through the street. So if I see one like this, I can go inside, open the door, go inside and talk with my family. Hello family, how are you? I'm England, I'm traveling. And now that we had visited Paris and England, we found there in England a mystery book. Look. It's a book. What do you think? Oh, it's not. Let's see what I found here. A mystery rock. It's so shiny rock. Wow. Maybe if I put this, will be protect myself. Haha, now I'm protected and powerful. Wow. And what I found here? Oh, a card. Maybe this card I can buy everything. It's a special card. My goodness, I can buy all the things in the world. What I can buy? What do you think? Maybe I can't buy the friendship. This book is about friendship. Do you know Snoopy? Is Snoopy and his friend? Oh, this book is so nice. Maybe I can read to you when we return to the school, to the class. And this book is about sharing. Do you remember this word? Sharing. To give, to share, to lend to our friends. It's so nice. I can promise to you, when we return to the school, I will read this book for you. Okay? So, bye-bye. See you guys. See you next time. And don't forget, washing your hands and use the mask. Okay? Bye-bye.